that's it, but sadly someone has to come last to
Apple Yanko. Kalahok numero 6, Angel Dugo.
And that is the top choice. Divine Wisdom. Jonathan King Flores on top. JD Flores is carrying 52.2. Mr. Jaime Bong Espino Jr. owns Divine Wisdom. Trainer, Dame de la Cruz. Divine Wisdom.
Baw. Ikaw mabaw?
8 is Bear
This is beautiful eyes pa. Ikaw mabaw? Yeah.
84.7 kilograms. The owner,
Baw
Mr.
ka?
Rolando D. Gallardo. Trainer naman, Abot Bungar. 8 fours, Bear to Dream.
Ikaw mabaw? Ay, mabaw.
Power over is entry number 9. Rider, Andrew Dodong Villegas. And he's having 54.2. Mr. Bernard Guy Godoy owns Power over. Trainer,
Ba't mo kaya ginaganyan yung lips mo? Ha? Gigigil ikaw?
Power over.
Ha? Balaga! Oh, shush.
10 is Ultimate
Bye-bye.
Survivor.